Stock number 408080. It's a 2015 Acura TLX. It does have a key, it does not start. See the front fenders damaged. Front bumper's no good. You can see the grill's no good. It's cracked. Headlights no good. Front bumper's no good. The hood's no good.
Sir, so you couldn't figure out how to get
Hood is no good. Front fender's no good. Passenger door, side view mirrors got some surface scratches. Side doors got scratches and it's damaged down here. See the D's for dented. Paint problem, surface scratches. Quarter panel surface scratch. Rear bumper surface scratch. Scratches down there. Paint problem all along the back. Front door's got a paint problem right there. Front fender's no good. Steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver knee airbags deployed. The passenger dash airbags deployed. The driver's seat belts locked. It does have a key, it does not start. Seat belts locked. Seats are automatic. It does have a sunroof. Seatbelt's good. The seatbelt's good. Stock number 408080. It's a 2015 TLX Acura. It does have a key, it does not start.